Oh, I got something. What the hell? It's a big ass drum. Oh, we got him. We got him. Looks juicy as hell right here. We got this little opening right here. Yes, sir. We're gonna try right here first. Let's get it. Oh, I got something. What the hell? Oh, it's something big, guys. Oh, it's something big. Oh, it's something big. Oh, I don't know what it is. I think it's a, oh, wait. It's a big ass drum. Holy shit. Oh, we got him. We got him. Oh my God. All right, guys, let's get a weight on him. All right. We got him at 0. Let's drop it down on him. Where we at? Where we at? 5 pounds. Oh, let's see. Keep it still. 5 pounds. 11 ounces. Let's go. All right. All right. Let's get a release on him. Oh, my bad, bro.